Hey, it's Miss Jessica from Flora and Camden Public Library. Thank you so much for tuning in again to another episode of Jazz with Miss Jessica. I am so excited to show you how I got this nice, glowing skin with a few items at your own house. Stay tuned and be sure to like and share this video and follow us on social media at the Madison County Public Library Systems. See you soon.
Okay, let's grab our supplies. You need a whisk, 2 eggs, a makeup brush, toilet tissue, a large bowl, and a small bowl. We're going to grab our large bowl, fill it with water, and place it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Then we're going to grab our small bowl. We're going to crack our eggs and separate the egg whites from the yolk. I use a water bottle because it's a little bit easier for me. Then we're going to use our whisk to whisk our egg whites. Once we're done whisking our egg whites, we're going to head over to our microwave and grab our bowl. And we're going to place our face over the steam. This will open up our pores. And for aging skin, egg whites can help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. And if your skin is oily like mine, egg whites are said to clarify pores and hair follicles. Next, we're going to grab our egg whites and our makeup brush and our toilet tissue, and we're going to begin to make our mask. We're going to use our brush, and we're just going to brush on the egg whites all over our skin, avoiding the hair on our face, which is the eyebrows and your hairline. Now that we've brushed on all of our egg whites, we're going to use our tissue, and we're going to separate the ply, and we're going to place it all over our face. This mask is really good for removing blackheads and especially whiteheads. When you place your tissue on, you're going to make sure that you fold down your tissue to avoid the areas where you have hair, like your eyebrows and again your hairline. You don't want that mask to pull your hair. Now that we have our tissue all over our face and we're looking a little crazy, it's going to be okay because this mask is awesome. We're just going to brush on some more of the egg white over the tissue. And you just want to make sure that all of the tissue is saturated with the egg whites. And again, avoid your brows and your hairline. Yes, now I have everything saturated, and we're going to just let this dry on my face for a little while until it gets really tight. Now everything is dry and hardened. We're just going to go in and gently pull the mask away from our face. Be very gentle and very careful so that you don't mistakenly grab any hair, or sometimes you may accidentally get some of the wash in your hair. You just want to be very careful at this point. It peels away very easily. It's not a mask that's hard to pull off. You just want to just always be careful. Now that the mask has been removed, we're going to wash our face, and now I'm just drying my face off, and I'm going to go in with a little tea tree oil and a little blotted dry. I usually use a cotton ball, but tissue was right there today. Now we're going to go in with a little vitamin E oil for moisture. And that's it. This is how I got this glowing skin. And look at the tissue. Look at all those whiteheads that were removed from my face. You may not be able to see it clear here, but they were removed. And my face feels so much better and it is able to breathe. I recommend doing this mask once a week to see results. Thank you all so much for tuning in to Jazz with Miss Jessica. Please come back and join me again, and be sure to follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you. See you later.